all student athletes at Emporia High are required to complete the training course called COACHES, short for Changing Our Athletes' Choices to Help Everyone Succeed. With only one face-to-face course being offered in early August each school year, some students are unable to attend. However, each student athlete is still required to complete the training to participate in a sport. Currently, makeup sessions involve watching poor quality videos of some of the face-to-face sessions. This method does not provide students with an equivalent or interesting learning opportunity. With the assistance of the Emporia High Athletic Director and the instructor, I have developed an online version of the COACHES training, delivered through the Moodle Learning Management System. Students will have the opportunity to experience a richer learning environment involving activities, self-expression, multimedia components, video, and have the opportunity to explore resources available through the Internet. The format instructional model, based on 4 basic questions of why, what, how, and if, was followed when developing these instructional materials. The course is divided into 7 topics, including the Joe White story, tobacco, inhalants, drugs, alcohol, nutrition, and the substance abuse policy. Each topic includes an introduction. This is the motivational element, answering the question why, a video or facts section, the informational element, answering the question what, an activity, the practice element, answering the question how, and a quiz, the reflection element, answering the question if. An example of an activity in the tobacco section involves students running in place for 1 minute. At the end of the minute, they were asked to breathe only through a straw to simulate the effects of tobacco on an athlete. AboveTheInfluence.com is just one of the online resources students interact with to learn more about how to handle the pressures of being a teen. In this example found in the alcohol section, students navigate to a questionnaire on the AboveTheInfluence.com website and answer questions about how they individually handle peer pressure. Once complete, they can view the results and get suggestions of how to handle the pressures better. They can also listen to how other teens deal with the pressure. Joe White was a guest speaker at the face-to-face session. We used video from YouTube, produced by KTWU, to share his powerful story. Students were then asked to write a short letter submitted through Moodle to their family and friends as if they had been injured in a drunk driving accident. Initial feedback from the instructor, athletic director, and students has been positive. Currently, suggested changes are being reviewed, and where necessary, these changes will be implemented for the training in March 2011. The goal of providing our student athletes with a richer learning environment in which they were actively involved was met. Students were also introduced to many online resources where they can seek information and help about many of the pressures of being a teen. The use of an online delivery tool has allowed us to deliver a wider variety of content in a more efficient way that actively involves the student and helps them personally relate to the information. This type of delivery has also benefited the instructor and provides the school with tangible data that they can use to evaluate the effectiveness of the training and assist them when applying for future grants related to substance abuse education of high school students.